What's happening? It's Kevin LA here, aka Bob Cousy, and I'm here to unbox the brand new Splatoon themed OLED Nintendo Switch. This thing is a beauty. It's a beauty. Let's check it out. So, ooh, lovely. Let's see what we got here. That's what it's all about. These beautiful Joy-Con here. Check that out. I love the back with the little tentacle markings. Get some light on that. Shine that beautiful picture there. It's pretty. It's like a purple violet. It kind of fades the light violet up into a darker bluish purple on the top. Nice. And the yellow. Boom. Check that out. Got the yellow on the top, fades down into green. Nice with the white background. Again, we've got the tentacle. Those are solid. The circles there are solid on the tentacles. On the blue, and they're hollow. Here we have the console itself. Look at that. I love. There we go. That's a good view of everything that's on there. Check that out. Boom. Got that lovely kickstand. Nice looking console there. Let's check it out. Pop these bad boys on there. Boom. Boom. Nice. Got some instructions. HDMI. Power cord. See, curious here, we've got the just the standard grip. That's alright. That's alright. Can't have enough of those. Neat. Check out the rails on that with the neon colored button. The string's got some neon on it. And the purple. And finally, this dock. You know she's pretty. You know she's pretty. Check this out. Boom. Ooh. Bam. Love that. You can barely feel that that's on there, but it does give you a little feeling that the paint, it's a little barely raised off the dock, off the regular print. The rest is just flat. There she is. Boom. Boom. Got your standard HDMI power cord and the Ethernet port on the back. There she is. Beautiful box. Love that. Love those pictures there. Wham. It's cool. Check this out. You got the color Joy-Cons in the photo. That's it. That's it. Another Switch to add to the collection. It's wonderful, wonderful. Beautiful dock, beautiful console, beautiful system. Go out and buy it right now. Thanks for watching.